Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through the operation of your single post 6,000 pound capacity lift. To get started, I want to point out a few features. This lift is designed to fit many different vehicle sizes. Some of those features that allow that: first, you'll get extensions for the frame pads. Not only that, but the frame pads are threaded and can be adjusted down and adjusted up. In addition, these arms are able to extend out, and they're also telescopic. By pulling this lever, I'm able to telescope these arms. Next, I'm going to walk you through operating the lift from the motor here. The motor is located in the back. A few things I'd like you to note is that you have the green on button here, the lowering lever with the red ball here, and then finally, this black lever is the lock release lever. So this is to go up, this is to go down, and that's to release your locks to allow you to go down. So to go up, you'll push and hold the green button. Right? Now, if you want to lower the lift while a vehicle is loaded, before you start working under it, you'll want to make sure to lower it onto the locks to be safe and secure. So ignore the lock release here and simply lower the lever, and you'll see that the lift stops at the next locking position. We will not be able to lower the lift until we first raise it back up a couple of inches. So we'll use the up button here. Once I see that I can release the lock, I'll have to hold the lock release down while simultaneously pushing the lowering lever to bring the lift down. And I can do this to go all the way down to the ground. Next, let's walk you through how this lift is mobile and how you can move it around your shop. Here, you have a pallet jack looking assembly, and it actually works just like a pallet jack. By pushing this down, you're able to jack the lift up off the ground and onto the wheels, as you can see. Once we have the lift up, look how easy it is to maneuver the lift. Just like a pallet jack, you're able to push the lift. You're able to bring it back in position. Now, let's show you how to bring the lift down off the wheels. You should never move this lift while it is loaded with a vehicle. So make sure that you pull this lever here up to bring the lift down. There you have it. Now you know how to operate the Halo single post lift, 6,000 pound capacity. Thank you for your business.